Hello everyone, my name is Akash Srivastav, and first of all, welcome and greetings to all. Today I'm here to share a learning session on customer relationship management, or we can call it as CRM, through a formatted course with various modules and chapters, sub-chapters, so that we can have a better understandings of various aspects of it. CRM or relationship building, as we all know, that how important it has been even in our normal general sphere of lives, whether it is our friends, family, or our office. Relationship building, a cordial one, which doesn't have any frictions. How good atmosphere does it makes around and makes things easy for us. Similarly, in a business scenario or a commercial scenario, a good relationship building, mainly between the two strong pillars of a business process, as we know, are the sellers and customers. So a good relationship, a cordial relationship between these two can bring wonders. See, if this is good, the overall customer satisfaction, customer experience, customer success will be great. And this is what we all want through CRM. Nowadays, CRM has become so important that everybody wants to implement this process. Why it is so, we'll come to know in the upcoming text. We will also know the various components and the various ingredients of CRM. How do we implement that so that the overall journey of a customer is a positive one and is a great one. So this is about the topic. And before we start into the learning text slides, please permit me to introduce myself. As I told you, my name is Akash Srivastav, and by education, I'm an MBA with about 24 years of working experience, primarily in the automotive sectors, in territories like, of course, India. Then I've been in East Africa and the Middle East. I worked with the companies like Yamaha, Daewoo Motors India, Iveco Trucks, then GMC, Beauty Nissan Trucks, and Tata Motors. As far as my working functions are concerned, I have been primarily in the sales and marketing sector. After sales marketing and after sales operation has been my forte. Plus, the business operation and a profit center head was also my part of my duty. So this was all about myself. And with this, we will jump into the objective of the course and right away. As we know, the topic is concept of relationship management. And the objectives, which will be the learning of the course would be understand what is customer relationship management in business. We will have a detailed awareness of various aspects of CRM process. We will explain the stages, implementation, various tools used, and other usefulness, and much more. We will also discuss the principles, process, and managing of customer and customer relationship management. And in the end, we will have an industry-related actual case study pertaining to a brand, explaining the role in context to CRM, that what difference does CRM makes. So this was all about a brief introduction about the topic, about myself, and of course the objective of the total course. And right after this, we will jump into module 1, which is about the basic understanding, and we will meet there. Until then, see you and thank you. Meet you at module 1.